Adding to shortcuts is one of my favorite features. So as you can see, we want to add the bounce expression. We need to type bounce and then search for it, right? But now we have this option to add them to the shortcuts. So if you hold down Control, it says click to add to shortcuts. I'm clicking on this bounce expression, as you can see here, and it appends this icon here. Now next time I'm going to open my script with my shortcut, it will come here, but we are not over yet. If you hold down Shift and click on this icon, you can add any icon you like. So in this case, I will drag and drop some of my icons here. I will simply search for them, and let's double click on this one to use it as this shortcut. And now, as you can see, we have this icon right here. Also, I'm using a lot of the remove all feature. Let's add it to the shortcuts. And again, let's add an icon by holding down Shift and clicking. And I think this would be great for this, like so. Also, I'm using the PNG snippet a lot. Let's add the camera to it. Add it. Now we can use, for example, my extension. Let's add this to the shortcuts too by holding down Control. And let's add this icon. And now whenever I click this will open my extension. Let's undock it. For example, I will close it. And now whenever I hit my X, it will load my extension. Also, we are not limited to just these types. We can also use for scripts. For example, let's use for Easy Animator Pro. Then we can also use it for text presets. Let's add this one too. Now let's add some of the images. For Easy Animator, let's add this one. And for the text preset, let's add this one too. Also, you can add effects. For example, we can add fill. We can also add, for example, drop shadow. Like so. We can add whatever we like. Let's now refresh, and for the effects, as you can see, I've got these two already done for you. Then you can also, from the shortcuts, go to the shortcuts menu, and now we can move them and rearrange them. For example, let's say we want these effects to be the bottom. So as you can see, I'm moving them down, and let's use this, the first one, let's have the bounce expression, and then let's have the PNG. Now if I hit save and exit, as you can see, I move them to the positions that I like. And it's a great way to have instant access to any of your scripts or effects here. For example, let's add to the shortcuts the fill. As you can see, it added very quickly. And then we like the scene, let's export it as a PNG and let's save it. And now we've got our PNG image right here. Very useful feature. You can populate up to 50 and add them to whatever order you like.